Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a numbered list to Markdown cells for Jupyter Notebook. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. And for this cell, we'll add in the contents numbered list of animals. And we'll create a list of animals here. So to add in a numbered list, there needs to be the number followed by a full stop following that. So if there isn't a full stop and you add in the contents, this will not create a numbered list. And also, if there isn't a space between the full stop and the contents, this also will not create a numbered list. All right, so there needs to be a full stop after the number, as well as a space after the full stop. And now the number is highlighted in blue. So we'll create a list here of 5 different animals. So cat, lion, dolphin, and squirrel. So once we run this list, we now have a numbered list of different animals. So this is how to create a numbered list in Markdown cells for Jupyter Notebook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.